Hey guys, Robert with Pacific Northwest RVs and Trucks. We're going to be doing a quick walkthrough on this 2018 Forest River Forester. This is considered a mini C, so very compact, super easy to get in and out of the campground. As you can see, you have that large slide out that connects to the bed and the dinette table. This thing is in absolutely perfect shape. This is a one owner, elderly owned. The outside has no leaks, no water damage. It's got good tires all the way around. The decals, the body, that one-piece fiberglass is just smooth and just absolutely gorgeous. It's got the power awning. Show the outside. Backup camera. It does have one solar panel, plenty of outside storage. This model is a 2431S, so it's 24 feet long. And if we can just come outside in the inside, again, U-shaped dinette that turns into a bed. You've got your walk-around queen-size bed, 3-burner stovetop. Again, just fantastic shape. Great size. You've got the flat screen TV. You've got some drawers up in there. Backup camera. Again, this has 36,000 original miles. It's on a Ford E450. Your bathroom. Good sized bathroom for a compact small RV. Good sized shower. Air conditioning, again, solar panels. Everything you need. Turnkey ready. Just start her up and take her out on your next adventure. If you guys are interested in coming out and taking a look at this, I'd love to show it to you guys. Thank you so much for watching. Happy camping.